I'm Gilbert Chen, the founder and CEO of Sunrise Metal. Choosing the right aluminum parts supply is crucial, and trust is the foundation of any great partnership. Here's why you can count on us. First, with our office in Düsseldorf, we are as close as your next door neighbors. This local presence ensures fast response and smooth communication, providing solutions tailored to your needs. Next, we specialize in delivering parts with tight tolerances and exceptional accuracy. Our manufacturing ensures your components perform well, even in the most demanding situations. Moreover, from design to production and finishing, we provide everything under one roof. Our one-stop solution simplifies your projects, saves time, and reduces complexity. Additionally, with over a decade of experience, we offer tailored solutions for your projects. Our team provides dedicated technical support, ensuring your specific requirements are met with expertise and reliability. Furthermore, as a certified company, we guarantee reliable quality through strict processes control and advanced inspection equipment. Our quality isn't just a goal, it's our commitment to you. Finally, we have a track record of delivering for high-mix and complex design projects. When challenges arise, we are the partner you can rely on to find effective solutions. At Sunrise Metal, our customers are our top priority. Let's build something exceptional together. Contact us today to experience the Sunrise Metal's difference.